Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Lidl application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Once you go to your home page by clicking on the home button down below in the left side corner of the screen, you can look for products by typing in their name into the search bar in the middle of the screen. So tap on it and then type in the product that you are looking for. And here you will be able to see the available products that you can add to your shopping list by clicking on the heart icon. As you go back, you can also see the this week's offers. As you click on the online leaflets button, you can find the national leaflets and magazines that you can check out. You can download them. You can also create your own shopping list by clicking on the heart icon down below. By tapping on the new entry button, you can type in the name of the product that you want to add to your shopping list. As you click on the More icon, you have the chance to search for a nearby store by clicking on the Stores option. Here you can use either the map or type in the name of your town into the search bar and select it as your store. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.